What is going on? This is MoTutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the status access violation error that you may be getting for your Google Chrome device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few things that you can do to fix this error. The first thing to do is open up a browser, like a non-incognito Chrome browser, and in here just write Chrome ://restart. So you're going to see here. And once you do this, you're going to see it's going to essentially restart Chrome. As you just saw, it fully restarted it. Do this and see if this basically fixes your error for you. If not, the next thing you want to do is to go to your search bar. Open up a Finder folder. In here, open up where it says local disk C, find program files. Look for the folder called Google. Open that up. In here, open up Chrome. Open up application, and you're going to find the main exe file of Google Chrome. Right click into this, go to properties, go to compatibility, and do run this program as administrator, and press apply, and then press OK, and turn Chrome back on. Once you do this, you should be good to go, and this error should not persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please press up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that much rolls out. Peace.